gosh, did you see that? Oh my gosh, did you see that? Oh, nice. Little guy. Wow. I thought he was gone. Oh, there he is. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. That's a sight. Look at that provoker right in the corner of his mouth. Unbelievable. I saw that fish tail and I cast it to him and I saw him swim away. I thought there had to be another fish with him. Woo, Mr. Redfish. You want to be famous. Nice. Oh my gosh. That's the second today that I've got tailing. That provoker, I mean, jeez. I can't believe he ate that. And I got it on video, which is crazy. It's barely in there, but I just can't get it with my fingers. Damn. That's awesome. Even with that full moon last night, they're still eating out here. 23 inches, 24 inches maybe. Sweet. Here he goes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! What's up? It's the second one today. Woo! I am pumped.